Why do I put a fan on my seedlings when they get their second leaves or a little bit larger? It really helps with strengthening the stems and making the stems strong. So when you plant them out, it's a bit like hardening them off in some descriptions. Yeah, you know what I'm saying. So that's the reason. It's fairly important. I guess it's not totally necessary, but it's good practice if you're growing seedlings under lights or in a greenhouse situation. Alright, hope that helps.